Hey coders, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to run code in Visual Studio Code. Whether it's Python, JavaScript, C++ or more, I'll cover the easiest ways to get your program running right inside VS Code. So let's jump right into it. First of all, open or create your code file. In VS Code, open the VS Code. Here you can create a new file or open the file whichever you want. After opening the file or creating a file, install the language extension. From the right side option, here is the extension. You will need to download the code runner extension and open the integrated terminal. As you can see, this is the code to add the sum of two numbers. Now to open the terminal, as you can see, here is the option called run code button. Click on this. Here it will ask for to enter the first number. After clicking on first number, click your another number and it will show the sum of two numbers. And that's how you run code in VS Code easily and efficiently. If this helps, please like, subscribe and leave a comment with what language or VS Code tip you want next, and I'll see you in the next one.